So, a few days ago, a client reached out with a very rough idea. They said they wanted a website for a jewelry brand, but honestly, that's all they had. No clear pages, no structure, not even a proper direction. And if you've worked with clients before, you already know, this is actually how most projects begin. You're just given an idea, and then it's on you to figure everything out. Now, as a designer, this is where things start to get a bit tricky. You have to plan the sitemap, decide what pages are needed, think about layouts, all without much clarity. Usually, this means hours of planning, sitemaps, wireframes, layouts, and when you're working alone, that prep work eats up most of your time before design even starts. And this is exactly where Relume makes things easier. It basically helps you generate a full sitemap in seconds, and then instantly turns that into editable wireframes using AI. And the best part? You can export everything straight into Figma or Webflow and just start designing right away. So yeah, let me show you how you can actually use Relume in your workflow and save a ton of time. Alright, let's start by creating a new project. So here, you just type in a prompt to generate your sitemap. Choose how many pages you want, and then just hit generate. It'll take a couple seconds. And there you go. The entire sitemap is ready. Here you can add more pages. You can also rearrange all the sections. Even if you want to add any other section, you can add it here. Once you're happy with the sitemap, head over to the wireframe section. It'll automatically generate the wireframes based on the sitemap. This part takes a little time, so give it a moment. And there we go. All the wireframes are ready based on the sitemap. As you can see, it has created the full layout and even written the copy for you. You can swap components, rearrange sections, whatever you need. Let's start with the navbar. Cool, this looks fine. For the hero section, yeah, this one looks good. And if you don't like the text, you can just regenerate it. Let's try a different layout here. Just pick a style, and it updates automatically. Let's add a gallery section here. You can modify all these sections. Let's quickly set up the rest of the sections. Don't worry about perfection here. You can always refine everything later in the design stage. Let's quickly finish setting up the rest. And for the footer, let's go with this one. Alright, the entire homepage wireframe is done. And you can follow the exact same process for all the other pages too. Now let's move to the style guide. This is where the wireframes really start coming to life. Ideally, you'd come in with a full brand identity. Colors, fonts, images, everything. But for this video, we're going to explore what Relume can do on its own first. Once we've seen that, we'll go ahead and add our colors, fonts, and brand assets. You can generate different themes here. Just click, or even hit the spacebar to shuffle through options really fast. Here you can adjust all the colors. Here you can change the heading font. Here you can change body font. And here you can adjust the border radius of buttons. Different types of buttons are available here. Here you can adjust border radius of cards and images. And if you lock the font and shuffle the concept, the font stays the same while everything else changes. Feel free to keep shuffling until you find a color scheme, typography, and UI style you actually like. Now let's bring in the actual brand identity. First, upload the logo. You can also adjust the logo size here. Next, let's set the primary and secondary colors. Let's select the heading and body fonts. I'm using Inter 4 body font. Let's set the font sizes to regular and weight to medium. For this design, I'll keep the buttons sharp, so 0 border radius. Same for images. Now click on any section to apply the colors, and you can also set different shades. I'll change the background color of a few sections so they stand out more and grab attention. You can also change images directly inside Relume, so let's quickly update all of those. Now here's something really useful: you can create multiple concepts. This is great for showing different design directions to your client. Let's create another one. And yeah, now we've got 2 different concepts ready. You can easily present both of them right here. Once your homepage styling is done, go to the Design tab. Now here's the best part. All the other pages automatically inherit the same styles. You can still go in and tweak their components, colors, and anything else you want to adjust. And once you're happy with all the pages, you can export the whole project straight into different formats like Figma, Webflow, React, or HTML. Let's export this into Figma. Open the Figma kit here. Then go to the design page. Search for the Relume plugin and run it. You can import the sitemap, wireframes, style guide, or the full design. I'll import the design first. For now, I'll bring in just the home page. Choose the concept and start importing. This takes a little time. And we're in. As you can see, this easily saved around 6 hours of work. The imported design is fully editable. You can change literally everything. If we go to the style guide page, you'll see all the typography here, all the colors used, buttons, and even the icons. Everything is here. Basically, this page contains the full design system, so creating new designs becomes super easy. Let's jump back to the design page and make a few changes to the homepage. Let's hide this for now. Let's change the logo here. Now middle align the navbar. And if you want to change any specific color, just update it from the variables panel. As you can see, it instantly updates across the whole page. Since everything is built using Figma components, you don't have to repeat changes over and over. For example, if I want to change something in the primary button, just open the main component, make the changes, and it'll update across the entire page automatically. Let's quickly make the changes to the other sections as well. And there we go. The final design is ready. You can follow the exact same workflow for mobile designs and all the other pages too. Alright, that's how I turned a vague client brief into a clear, structured website in just a few hours using Relume. The key difference wasn't skipping steps. It was letting Relume handle the structure so I could focus on the creative side. If you're someone who struggles with layouts, structures, or just wants to speed up your workflow without compromising quality, Relume is honestly a game changer. You can find the Relume website link in the description. Do check it out and let me know what you think about the tool. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.
We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me